Hello friends, once again we'll go ahead with the solid modeling concept. As we have studied in the previous concept, we have studied the solid modeling in the AutoCAD software. That is, we have done the modeling toolbar and what are the commands included in the modeling toolbar, those things we have studied. Let us go ahead with how the modeled solids can be edited with the help of solid editing toolbar. See what we are seeing, this is the solid editing toolbar. As you know, this is the visual styles and the orbit. Okay, let us directly you can go ahead with the one box where we can edit that solid as per the customer requirement. See, now we have clicked on the XY plane, it is asking the Z. I can enter the value or I can click also. Go for the 100. We are not seeing the third axis because we are working with the X and Y plane. Okay, we'll go with this is the top view. As you know, you can directly go ahead with the surface isometric view. See, right now this is in wireframe. You can go ahead with the shaded, smooth shaded, as per your requirement you can edit it. Let us, I will go for one of the cylinder. I will go with the specific radius or diameter or 25 radius. We can go for the up to end point. We have given the height for the cylinder. Now we have the three commands. See, I can directly go the 3D modeling in the solid editing. Directly we can go ahead with the first command, unite. Unite means the union of the two objects. First go ahead with the union command. It is asking at prompt area the union, select the two objects. Directly you can select the object, view and enter. So that you can see here the objects are united. The objects are united. You can go for undo to keep previous things. Unite means the combining of two portions. You have to select minimum two solids. Next you have the option called the subtraction. Select the object. Select the object. It is asking from. Give and enter. Now it is asking select the object to subtract. Just give and enter. See, as you know, the object is removed. You can see in the shaded view. It is subtraction. Next, you can go for the intersection. Intersection means you can go for the selection of the two objects where the objects are intersected. This is the intersection of two objects. Okay, this is the intersection of two objects. We are going to get only the combined portion of both the cylinder as well as the box. Next, you can go ahead with the solid editing. That first one is the extrude face. Extrude face, generally we have to select the solid face here. What it is asking from, you can go for a select a solid. If I click on the object, it is going to select. If I click both the objects, see both objects are going to select. Both faces of the objects are going to select. If you don't want to keep the previous one or any one, shift click or right click, go for the remove. Select the face to remove. Click here. And after that one, give an enter. It is asking the height for the extrusion. I give 50. And it is asking taper. If you have the taper angle, you can give, otherwise just give an enter. Means the solid is already extruded, and again we have given a 50 height of increment for the solid face. Like that, first option you can go for the solid editing, that is extrude face. Again I will go for this one, enter. I will give the 25 length. You can go for 5° taper angle also. See, we got the draft from all sides of the face, that is taper. Okay. Next, you can go for the, suppose if you have a arc which is perpendicular to the solid face. Okay, you can go for the extrude face, select the face, right click path. Give an enter. Instead of height, you can go for the path option and select the path, how the face of the object is going to extrude it. Like this, you can go ahead with the extrude face option. Now we'll take this one cylinder inside. We'll go for the subtract. Select the object, enter, go to remove the material. Now next command directly will go to move face. Select the object, select the face of the object. If you select like this, it is going to select the upper face also. But you have to remove by shift click of this face. Just I have selected inside thing. Give an enter. Now it is asking at prompt area base point. Click. Then you can move the certain height. It is a move face option. Next, directly you can go ahead with the Offset face. Select the object face. This is to be offsetted either inside or outside. Give an enter. Now I'll go for the -10 so that the object is going to offset outside. This offset face option. Next, also you can go for the delete face. If you don't want to keep this face, click inside, give an enter. The object is going to remove. Go for undo. Okay, the fillet and chopper can be deleted with the help of this option. Next, rotate face. Select the face to rotate. Give an enter. Now it is asking the axis. If I give like this is an axis. By keeping that axis, you can give the 30-degree rotational angle as per your requirement, either positive or negative. Okay, like this directly you can go further. That is a rotate face. That is rotate face. Suppose I rotate this object. If you have face like this, if you want to give the top taper, you have to go for the taper face. Select the face of the object, give an enter. Now it is asking base point. This is the base point, this is the direction. Now it is a single taper, 12 degree with the taper. It is going to take the draft for all the faces of that is selected face of the object. There is draft face. You can give for this also, but give the vector as a vertical height so that it will take the draft. Next you have the option called copy faces. Select the face to copy. If I would like to have the copy of this one, you can select it. It is asking the first lifting point where you would like to place. Okay, that is copy face. Then you can directly go extrude these faces as per your requirement like this. We can use that copy face as per the customer requirement. Then you have to go for the color face. Select the faces of the object which is to be colored. Give an enter. Select the faces of the color. Select the object to color or face to color. This is a face color face option. You have to select the faces which are going to be set. Next you have the copy edges. The option called the copy edges. I would like to have a copy of this edge, and also you can go for the copy of this edge and this also. Directly you can go with the copy of the face and give the edges. Okay, so that you can use these edges as per your customer requirement. Next you can go for the color edges also. Color edges are used to create the edges and you can make the color with different object colors. See, you can go for changing the color of the object. See, here also you can see how the color of the object is modified. We can go ahead with the next session for the further solid editing and modifying commands. Thank you.